Hi guys, so welcome back. I hope you all had an amazing week. So I am super excited to share this new purchase of mine with you all. I have been waiting for this one for a really long time. I've been wanting this one for a really long time and I finally have it. So yeah, it is a wand from Noble Collection and it is Dolores Umbridge's wand. So yeah, I am super excited about this one. For those of you that have watched my channel before, you guys know I absolutely love Umbridge. In the book and the movie, she is absolutely amazing. The movie, I mean, the actress is amazing as well. But yeah, the reason why I like her is not because she's bad or that I support what she stands for. It is just that she is a character all on her own. She doesn't follow anybody. She doesn't have a hidden agenda. She is just bad and she is just her. And unapologetically so. And I love characters like that, good and bad. I really love characters that stand on their own. They are just better that way. So yeah, I absolutely love her. I am planning a Umbridge display, obviously. So yeah, this wand is perfect for me to actually start planning that display. So yeah, let's get into it. I'm just gonna open it up. Okay, you get this little book like always with all the Noble Collection stuff. You always get one of these. There we go. So yeah, first I just want to say that I absolutely love Noble Collection's packaging. Everything always comes really well packed. They really do put a lot of effort into their package planning and you are almost 100% sure that you will get everything in one piece. Thus far, I have bought quite a lot of Noble Collection stuff and thus far I haven't had any issues with breakages. I think on one of my magical creatures there were a couple of scratches. That was really weird, but yeah, other than that I haven't had any issues. So yeah, so let's first look at the wand. So the wand is absolutely beautiful. I absolutely love this wand. It does feel really good in your hand. You can feel that it is a bit more of a feminine wand. But yeah, I really do like it. As you can see there, it really is very beautiful. And I also like the fact that the branding is really small on the wands. So it's not too big because yeah, you don't really want branding everywhere. I understand why they have to put it on there. But yeah, I really love the fact that it's always very small and you can't really see it. And then if we look at the other side. So yeah, I mean, I absolutely love this wand. It is really beautiful. It's not too heavy, but it is heavier than some of the other ones. So yeah, I really love this wand. I did think that the bead was going to be a bit more pink because I've seen some of the images online. They are a lot more pink than this one, but it is still pink. I mean, if you look on the white, it is still pink. But yeah, I absolutely love this wand. Let's put that to one side and then let's look at the stand. So this is the stand. Let's first look at the back. So I absolutely love the fact that they put a bracket at the back and then these spaces as well. Not a lot of people do this. For me, living in an area where there's really high humidity, you can't hang stuff flush against the wall because then it gets wet at the back. Or damp at the back, and then usually mold grows and bad stuff happens. So behind all the portraits in my house, I have spaces so that air can flow through. And yeah, this is the first time that I've seen anything else that actually has the spaces where I usually have to put these spaces on. So that's really nice to see. Then if we look at the front, I mean, this just screams Umbridge. I mean, I absolutely love this. This is where you actually hook your wand in. I'll do that just now. And then you've got this really beautiful bow. And then if you look inside there, you will see the two screws that holds it together, which again, you can't see that. You actually have to go and look for it. And then you have Dolores Umbridge at the bottom. I really love this plate. It's done really, really well. And yeah, this really screams Umbridge. And when it hangs, you hang it like that. And then it's like this. So I am super chuffed with this wand. It is a lot more beautiful in person than it is on any picture. And yeah, I am super excited to start planning the Umbridge display. Let me know what you guys think of this wand in the comments down below. If you guys have any ideas of what I can put in the Umbridge display, please leave that also in the comments down below. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. I hope you have an awesome week. And next week's video is going to be a super awesome one. I am going to make something out of polymer clay. It is 70% done. So yeah, I'm really excited about that one. So tune in next Sunday at 5 Central African time for that. And then yeah, guys, I hope you have an awesome week, and I'll see you again next week.